Hi, it's Christine Kretscher from Create with Christine. This week's Tuesday Tip video tutorial is coloring a stamp with markers. This works best with our red rubber stamps. I'm using the Merry Little Labels stamp set, and that's from the 2017 holiday catalog. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to do my stamping first. I'm going to bring over a piece of Whisper White cardstock and my stamp, which is the Eat, Drink, and Be Merry stamp from the set. And I'm going to bring over 3 markers, my basic black marker, my real red marker, and my old olive marker. And I'm going to start with the basic black. And I'm just going to color right over the stamp. I'm going to do the Eat, Drink, and Be. Then I'm going to come down the bottom, and there's a little swiggle, little element with a little star, kind of looks like a snowflake at the bottom. I'm just going to ink that up. Then I'm going to do the Merry in the red. And the berries from the holly. Then I'm just going to do the leaves of the holly and the old olive. I'm just going to bring that up and give that a couple huffs to re-moisten. And then stamp right down on the Whisper White cardstock. That looks pretty good. And I'm going to punch that out with the 2-inch circle punch. And I'm going to layer that onto a piece of real red glimmer paper that I went ahead and pre-cut out with the Big Shot and the Layering Circles framelits die. When I'm using glimmer paper, I like to adhere with mini glue dots. So let's bring over some glue dots. And I'm just going to find the glue dot on the roll and put my project to it. I'll take up 3 glue dots and adhere that right in the middle. And I have this centered on a foil snowflake. These are the foil snowflakes. They come in silver and gold. 12 silver and 12 gold in the holiday catalog. So what I'm going to do is put 3 glue dots on the back of this piece. And then adhere that right in the center. Set that aside for a minute. Now I'm going to bring over the Whisper White card base for the front layer. This measures 4 inches by 5 1/4 inches. I'm also going to add a piece of Merry Little Christmas Designer Series paper on one side, and this measures 2 inches by 5 1/4 inches. So I'm just going to adhere that on with a little bit of snail adhesive. Here's the snail tape runner. And it's going to go right to the edge. And then to cover our middle seam, I'm going to bring over a 6 1/4 inch piece of the silver edged 3/8 inch ribbon. And I'm just going to adhere glue dots on either side of the ends to adhere that. And I kind of have it just lined up along the edge. Okay. And now I'm just going to adhere the snowflake right over, kind of lining up the middle stars or points with the middle of the ribbon. And I'm just going to add a little bit of multi-purpose liquid glue. I can see through to see where my circle is, so I'm just going to add a few little drops of liquid glue to adhere that. And then I have a basic black piece of cardstock for my card layer. And I'm just going to adhere the whole layer to the front of the card. And then for this card, since it's a basic black layer, I would also add another piece of 4 by 5 1/4 and adhere that to the inside, so there's a spot for somebody to write a message on. So that's my card project for this week. And if you like, comment, or share this post by Monday, November 6th at midnight Eastern, you'll have a chance to win this card kit. It's just the cardstock, ribbon, and embellishments to make this card. You would need to add your own ink and your own stamp set. So thanks so much for stopping by today. I'll be back again next week with another project to share.